Whoa people, I'm back again. And what am I making today? Well, I'm making a Western omelette tortilla wrap. Yes, a Western omelette tortilla wrap. You can go back and see the video on my channel on how to make a Western omelette. So this is pretty simple. I've got a tortilla wrap. Cut the little like that, and to this I'm gonna add my omelette right here. Get it out of here and just put it on here like so. Get the other one off. Put that on there. Okay, now to this I'm going to add some cheese. I'm using a mozzarella cheddar mix, and actually I'm only going to put it on just down one side. That's good enough for me. Get my pan on, put it on a medium-low heat, and let's fold this up. Actually, let's cut this along the where the slit was, right there. You get back in there, buddy. Okay, so simple. Fold and then fold again. Then one last fold like so, and just give it a bit of a press down, and then next up we're going to put that in the pan. Okay, so let's get our wrap in the frying pan. There, I had a little bit of butter in the bottom of the pan, and we're just going to grill this off now. Shouldn't take too long. Just press it down, people, and we're going to let this grill on that side, and then we'll flip it. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's give this a flip. Oh yes, people, look at that. You see that? That's the color you want to get. Yeah, this is looking good. It's looking good, people, looking good. Now we're gonna let this side go and get a nice coloring just like that on this side. Okay, people, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. That is done. Okay, so let's plate that up. Take that off the heat. And oh yeah, don't that look good, people? So this is my Western omelette tortilla wrap. People, try this. Let me know down in the comments how it turned out for you. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, smash the bell icon so you get notified of upcoming videos. Share this video, and leave any comments or suggestions that you may have for me down below. And thank you to all the people, all the viewers, all my subscribers. And just another reminder that when I hit, hopefully I hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month, January 2021, I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that video as well. And with that, I will see you again. Until then,